Irish potatoes that I fried up, and then I'm throwing in the seasoning, the onions, tomatoes, okay, and scallion, and add some carrots soon. And so I fry up this seasoning some more. I'm just gonna add in the, oh yeah, here's garlic. Garlic, make it nice spicy. Yeah. Add some pieces chicken. I can add the rice to it. Then add some carrots. Then I'll add my mince. Turkey and mince there. I haven't had turkey mince in a while. So that's what I'm cooking. Quick and easy turkey mince. That these little things take time to cut up, but it is what it is. Yep. And then I'm going to be adding all the other seasonings again. That's the first thing. It's still really frozen. Just put on anyway, so that's the big deal. It will cook. It will cook. Spices. Salt and pepper. Need to get some more spices. I'm gonna add a little cloves today. Give it a different flavor. And usual, can't do without my paprika. Start to stir it a little more. This is too much of this part now. Parsley. Add some more paprika. Get that flavor in there. Add some more cloves. Flavorful spices. One thing I noticed, a little jalapeno. Yeah, I did add sweet peppers, by the way, red sweet peppers. Sorry, cut up. Yeah, there it is. Red sweet pepper, tomatoes, and everything turned this up. Just turn down too low now. Alright. It's gonna be nice and juicy. Just need more more time to simmer as I turn up the heat some more. Whoa! It's like too much oil. Behave yourself, Michelle. There's too much oil. Turn this up. A bad pour. Way too much on it, but I can't get it out to right now. Alright. Okay, just simmer a little water to the top. Now I gotta add my rice in. Turn this up some more. Add the rice for the rice and peas. Alright, so everything is cooking. Water's getting on the stove. I can clean it off. No big deal. Let's see if there's enough rice. Some of this water. Okay. Alright. It's not too much water for the peas. Let's check it out. Let's do a measure. Yes, needs a little more rice in there. Together nicely and deliciously. Potatoes are nice. It's nice and chunky. Okay, so what I need now is some more rice here. Add to the pot so it doesn't get too soggy when it's cooked. Eskellion, nice. So the rice and peas are going to be surely nice, you know? Here we go. Keep cooking while I wash this rice. That looks like enough rice, I should say. And then we'll cover the pot and let it simmer. And let the rice cook. It's going to be nice and delicious when it's done. Rice and fish. Taking a break from chicken today. Alright. Looking good, looking good. Alright. let it cook. This should be done soon. Let me turn this down. Just need to add some ketchup to it and give it some nice ketchup flavors. Add a little water, get a little gravy. And let it simmer. Just too much. Just need some ketchup. What is my ketchup? Ketchup, yeah. So the last thing we're going to add, I'm going to taste it to see how fresh it is. I don't want it salty, so I'm just purely going to add salt to this. No salty food, you know. Let's see what the flavor is. It's good. I barely added any salt. That's the salt. No more. I'll turn it off in 5 minutes. Dinner should be done, and I'm going to turn down this rice, see? Because I don't want it to catch the bottom and burn. Let's see if the bottom, it's got to be turned down. It's going to start burning. So you can turn down a little lower so it doesn't burn at the bottom. And this I can turn off. This is done. Check it off the heat. Let's put it back there because we're done. And this will be done in 10 minutes. So thank you for watching Michelle B Cooking, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to like, love, share, and subscribe. And remember, Jamaican cooking is here, nice and spicy. And also at this time, I'm telling you to please go ahead and donate to Jamaica, support Jamaica for the hurricane relief. Hurricane Melissa devastated Jamaican. Boy, do we need the help in Jamaica, especially in St. Elizabeth, Trelawney, and Westmoreland, and St. Mary, and some other parishes that are really hit badly. Black River, St. Elizabeth was destroyed. It's next to the beach and all that, and it's really destroyed. So send help, support charitable organizations, please. And there is also a website, the government website. I think I'll have to add the link soon. www.supportjamaica.gov.jn. Please help Jamaica as much as you can, whether it's $10, $15, $20, $100, $1,000, whatever you can do to help them recover. Many of those people in these other parishes have literally lost their homes are flattened. There's no electricity. It will take a while to get electricity back to these areas, but Kingston and St. Andrew and all those areas are not badly affected, and they have light. Okay, so I'm just imploring for you to help. Have a blessed, beautiful, wonderful day till I see you again. Bye. Bye.